What if I told you that you don't actually need to spend thousands of dollars on a brand new electric bike to enjoy effortless, powerful riding? Because right now you can take your current bicycle and transform it into a high-performance e-bike for a fraction of the cost. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best e-bike conversion kits you can buy right now. Whether you're commuting daily, climbing steep roads, or just want a smoother ride, there's a perfect option waiting for you. If you want to check the latest prices or learn more about each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. YOSE Power EBike Conversion Kit. Imagine turning your everyday bike into something that feels brand new. Something that helps you glide through traffic, climb hills without that burning feeling in your legs, and just makes every ride more fun. That's exactly where the YOSE Power EBike Conversion Kit comes in. What makes this kit really interesting is how complete it feels. You're not just getting a motor, you're getting everything you need to actually transform your ride. Once it's installed, your normal bike suddenly has that smooth electric push behind it. And it's not overwhelming or jerky, it's controlled, natural, and surprisingly satisfying. Think about your daily commute, or even a weekend ride. Maybe there's that one hill you always dread, or those long stretches where you start to lose energy halfway through. With this setup, you still get the joy of cycling, but with support when you need it. It's like having a quiet rider along with you. The motor itself is powerful enough to make a real difference. You'll notice it most when accelerating or going uphill. It just takes the pressure off. And yet, it doesn't feel like you've lost control of the bike. You're still riding, it's just easier, smoother, and honestly more enjoyable. Another thing that stands out is how adaptable it is. Whether you're riding a 26-inch mountain bike or a larger 700c road bike, this kit is designed to fit a wide range of setups. So instead of buying a whole new e-bike, which can be expensive, you're upgrading what you already own. And let's talk about the riding experience. The display gives you clear, easy-to-read information, so you always know what's going on. The pedal assist system kicks in naturally as you ride, and if you ever want a quick boost, the thumb throttle is right there. It all feels intuitive, like it was meant to be part of your bike from the beginning. Battery life is another big win here. Depending on the option you choose, you're looking at enough power for longer rides without constantly worrying about charging. So whether you're commuting, exploring, or just cruising around your neighborhood, you've got that extra range to rely on. And for anyone wondering about durability, this kit is built for real-world riding. Rain, dust, rough roads, it's designed to handle it. Those waterproof connections and solid components mean you're not constantly stressing about wear and tear. At the end of the day, this isn't just about adding a motor to your bike. It's about changing how you feel when you ride. Less fatigue, more freedom, and honestly, more reasons to get out there. So if you've been thinking about stepping into the world of e-bikes without fully committing to buying a brand new one, this is a really smart place to start. Number 4. Bafang BBS O2B Mid-Drive Kit. Think about your current bike for a second. You already know how it rides, how it fits, how it handles every turn and every bump in the road. Now imagine keeping all of that, but adding a level of power that makes every ride smoother, faster, and a whole lot more fun. That's exactly what this Bafang mid-drive kit brings to the table. What makes this setup really special is how natural it feels once you're riding. Instead of pushing you from the wheel like a typical hub motor, this system works right through your bike's drivetrain. So when you pedal, it doesn't feel like a machine is doing the work for you. It feels like your own strength has been amplified. Every push on the pedal becomes more effective, more responsive. It's one of those things you don't fully understand until you try it, and then you don't want to go back. Now let's talk about power, because this kit definitely delivers. Whether you go for the 500 watts, 750 watts, or the full 1000 watts version, you're getting serious performance. The torque is strong enough to handle steep hills, heavier loads, or longer rides without that feeling of struggle. If you've ever had to stand up and push hard just to climb a hill, you'll appreciate how this system turns those moments into something almost effortless. And it's not just about raw power, it's about control. The pedal assist system adjusts to your riding style, giving you that extra push exactly when you need it. And when you want instant acceleration, the thumb throttle is right there. It gives you flexibility. You can ride casually, or you can push things a little harder depending on your mood or the road ahead. Another thing that really stands out is how complete the whole kit feels. You're not left guessing or trying to piece things together. From the LCD display that keeps track of your speed and battery to the brake options that cut off the motor for safety, it's all designed to work together smoothly. It feels like a system, not just a collection of parts. And speaking of safety, that motor cutoff feature is actually a big deal in real-world riding. The moment you hit the brakes, the motor stops. It sounds simple, but it adds a level of confidence, especially when you're riding in traffic or on busy streets. Now let's be real for a second. Installation. If you've never done something like this before, it might seem a bit intimidating. But the truth is, many riders have done it successfully on their first try. With a bit of patience and maybe a couple of YouTube tutorials, it becomes very manageable. And once it's done, there's a real sense of satisfaction in knowing you built it yourself. Of course, like any upgrade, there are a few small things to keep in mind. Some riders recommend adding a gear shift sensor for smoother transitions, and depending on your bike, you might want to upgrade components like brakes or chains to match the added power. But honestly, those adjustments just help you get the most out of the system. Where this kit really shines is in everyday use. Your commute becomes quicker and less tiring. Long rides feel more enjoyable instead of exhausting. And suddenly, distances that once felt too far don't feel far at all anymore. It changes how you think about riding. And then there's the overall experience people talk about. Fast delivery, solid packaging, responsive customer support, it all adds up. But more importantly, it's that first ride after installation. That moment when you feel the motor kick in. And everything just feels easier, smoother, better. If you've been thinking about upgrading to an e-bike, but didn't want to give up your current bike, this is a seriously strong option. It gives you power, flexibility, and a riding experience that feels both exciting and familiar at the same time. Number 3. Tongsheng TSD Z2B e-bike conversion kit. This is where things start to get really interesting, because this one isn't just about adding power to your bike, it's about transforming the way you ride. Imagine cycling up a hill that usually leaves you out of breath. Your legs are burning, your speed drops, and you're thinking about getting off and walking. Now picture that same hill. But this time, the harder you pedal, the more the bike pushes back to support you. It feels natural and smooth, almost like your legs suddenly got stronger overnight. That's exactly the kind of experience you get with the Tongsheng TSD Z2B. What really makes this kit stand out is its torque sensor. That might sound a bit technical, but here's what it actually means for you. Instead of the motor kicking in at a fixed level, it responds to how hard you pedal. So if you pedal lightly, it gives you gentle assistance. Push harder, and it delivers more power. The result is a ride that feels incredibly natural, like the bike is working with you, not just for you. And that makes a real difference in everyday riding. Whether you're commuting through busy streets, cruising along quiet roads, or just enjoying a relaxed evening ride, everything feels smooth and controlled, not jerky or artificial. Another thing you'll appreciate is its efficiency. This motor is designed to give you strong performance without draining your battery too quickly. So instead of worrying about running out of power halfway through your trip, you can focus on enjoying the ride, and maybe even going a little farther than you planned. When it comes to power, you've got options ranging from 250 watts up to 750 watts. That means you can choose exactly what suits your needs, whether you want something lightweight and road-friendly, or something with extra power for hills and heavier loads. And with up to 80 Nm of torque, it handles climbs, cargo, and longer rides with ease. What I really like is how compact and clean it looks once installed. At around 3.6 kilograms, it doesn't make your bike feel heavy or unbalanced. It blends in nicely, keeping that classic bicycle feel, just with a powerful upgrade built in. Installation is also quite straightforward, especially if your bike uses a standard 68 to 73 mm bottom bracket. You don't need anything too complicated, just a compatible bike and a bit of time to set it up. And there's one small but important detail. The motor cuts off as soon as you stop pedaling. It may sound simple, but it adds an extra layer of safety and control, especially when riding in traffic or crowded areas. So who is this really for? If you're someone who still wants to feel like you're cycling, not just riding a motorized bike, this kit is a great choice. It keeps that natural connection between you and the ride, while making everything easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Because in the end, it's not just about speed. It's about comfort, control, and confidence every time you get on your bike. Number 2, Bafang M620 e-bike conversion kit. Now we're getting really close to the top, and this one is on a completely different level. If the previous option felt smooth and natural, this one feels powerful. Seriously powerful. The kind of power that makes you rethink what an e-bike can actually do. Picture this for a second. You're carrying heavy cargo, maybe groceries, maybe gear, or heading off-road where the terrain isn't exactly friendly. Normally that would slow you down, right? But with this setup, you press the pedals, and instead of struggling, the bike launches forward with confidence. That's the kind of experience you get with the Bafang M620. This motor isn't built for casual riding. It's designed for riders who want strength, durability, and real performance. With up to 1,000 watts of power and massive torque behind it, this system doesn't just assist you, it pushes you through challenges. And the best part? It never feels out of control. Thanks to its intelligent sensing system, the motor constantly reads how you're riding, your speed and how much pressure you're applying to the pedals, and adjusts the assistance instantly. So even with all that power, it still feels smooth, responsive, and easy to manage. You're not fighting the bike, you're working with it. Now imagine climbing a steep hill. On a regular bike, you'd be grinding your way up, maybe even stopping halfway. But here, you keep pedaling, and the motor delivers a deep, steady push that keeps you moving forward. No hesitation, no struggle, just smooth, unstoppable momentum. And surprisingly, it does all of this while staying relatively quiet. You don't get the loud mechanical noise you might expect from something this powerful. Instead, it feels refined, like all that strength is just quietly waiting whenever you need it. The display is another highlight. It's bright, clear, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're checking your speed, battery level, or assist mode, everything is right in front of you. Switching between assist levels is simple too, so you can go from a relaxed ride to full power in seconds. But let's talk about real-life use, because that's what really matters. If you carry heavy loads, ride long distances, or simply want a bike that can handle almost anything, this is where the M620 truly shines. It's ideal for cargo bikes, delivery work, or riders who don't want to be limited by terrain or weight. Yes, it's a bit heavier than other kits, but that extra weight comes with serious strength and durability. This is a system built to last, built to perform, and built to handle demanding conditions without breaking a sweat. One thing to keep in mind though, this isn't the simplest kit to install. It's a more specialized setup, so it may require proper alignment and a bit more technical effort compared to basic conversion kits. But once it's installed, the performance you get is on a completely different level. And that's exactly what earns it the number 2 spot. It's not just about making your ride easier, it's about unlocking a whole new level of capability. The kind where hills feel smaller, loads feel lighter, and distance stops being a limitation. Number 1, YOSE Brushless e-bike kit. And finally, we've reached our list best pick. And this one isn't playing in the same category as the rest. Up to this point, we've seen smooth commuter setups, torque-driven mid-drives, and even serious cargo-level power. But this is where things shift from upgrading a bike to building something that feels much closer to a lightweight electric machine. The YOSE brushless hub motor is not subtle. The moment you look at it, you can tell it's built for one thing: serious performance. Now imagine this. You're sitting on a custom-built electric bike or light motorcycle-style setup. Everything is ready. You twist the throttle, and instead of a gentle roll forward, the machine reacts instantly. Strong, direct, almost like it's been holding back and finally got released. That's the experience this motor is designed to deliver. This isn't about casual riding anymore. This is for riders who want speed, strength, and that raw feeling of acceleration that most e-bike systems simply don't offer. What makes it stand out is the level of power it can handle. We're talking extremely high wattage potential, massive torque output, and a system built to push heavy builds and larger wheels without struggling. Whether it's a high-speed road setup or a serious off-road project, it has the strength to keep going where others start to fall behind. But power alone doesn't make it impressive. What really matters is how it delivers that power. Even with its extreme capability, the motor is designed to respond smoothly when paired with the right controller setup. That means you're not just getting sudden bursts of uncontrollable force, you're getting controlled acceleration that you can actually manage. So when you ease into the throttle, it stays composed. And when you push it, it reacts immediately. That balance is what makes it feel so serious to ride. And then there's durability, the part most people don't think about until it matters. This isn't a lightweight commuter motor. It's built with a heavy-duty structure designed to handle heat, stress, and long-distance, high-load use. It's the kind of setup you choose when you don't want to worry about whether your system can keep up with your riding style. In real-world terms, this opens up a completely different riding experience. Long, straight roads become opportunities for speed. Hills stop feeling like challenges. Heavy builds, cargo setups, trikes, and custom frames become much more manageable. Everything simply feels like it has more capability behind it. But here's the honest part. You don't pick this if you're just looking for a simple daily commuter upgrade. This is not the easy route. Installation and setup require proper knowledge, correct component matching, and careful tuning. It's a project build, not a quick conversion. However, once everything is properly set up, the result is something that feels completely different from a standard e-bike. It becomes more aggressive, more responsive, and far more capable than typical systems in this lineup. And that's exactly why it holds the #1 spot. Because while other kits improve how you ride, this one changes what your ride is. So there you have it. 5 of the best e-bike conversion kits you can get right now, depending on your budget and riding style. Now I'm curious, if you were building your dream e-bike, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.